I challenge you to watch this video and not find one mistake you're making right now. Implement just one of these changes so that you can even see double of your income this year. Hello, it's Chanique, the Cleaning Authority boss, helping new and inspired entrepreneurs start and grow your remote cleaning business. In 2025, you're going to respect yourself, your skills, and your clients. You're going to be well paid and positioned in a way that people respect you. Now, the first habit that you are going to kick is not pricing correctly. Most of the times, you're not considering profits and expenses. In 2025, what you're going to do is that you're going to price for profit. Check out this video on how to truly do that. But you're going to consider every job making an ideal amount of profit so that your business can truly scale beyond you. And what you possibly think is if you charge too high, you won't get clients. However, clients that value cleaning service understand the true nature of the luxury of having a cleaning service. Therefore, when you charge too low, they're going to perceive you as a cheap cleaner. I found when you charge high, clients connect, especially when you're doing business to business. When you charge your value, they perceived you as a high value client versus a small business that's inexperienced because you underbid so low. In 2025, what you're not going to do is underbid. You're going to charge correctly. You're going to charge for profit. You can maximize growth. The next mistake I left in 2024 is doing all the cleaning. All my new clients are assigned to subcontractors. I do not do the cleaning in my business. There'll be very rare chance, only because I am a cleaner myself, and if there's emergency, if there's a really tough client, I have no problem filling in. If I can reschedule, I'm not doing the cleaning. Most small businesses fall in the trap of perfectionism, and what they continuously do is work in the business versus working on the business for maximum growth. 2025 is a year that I will not be returning back to that bad habit of fearing that my business will slowly diminish because I am not completely hands-on and doing everything. With that mindset, you deplete yourself mentally and physically, so you cannot show up effectively as a leader to see genuine growth in your business. What we're not doing in 2025 is blasting your cleaning business everywhere. Instead, be specific with the type of client you want to attract. When you're posting your cleaning business any and everywhere, you'll fall victim of attracting low-paying clients, putting your services everywhere. If you want to work with commercial clients, then promote where commercial clients will be. If you want post-construction, make sure your marketing is specific to post-construction. Most cleaning business fear that they will lose their clients if they're too specific and niched. But that is the opposite. Not only could you charge more because you are niched, but your marketing becomes very specific and focus on that ideal client, making it easier to genuinely get better referrals and better connection to your ideal client. If there's one thing that I will never return is doing anything manual when I can do it automated. I will always have an app for it. Watch this video because I break down all the apps that I'm currently using in my business that helps with automation, scheduling, managing my clients, brand awareness, building a website, growing a business easier. You need to be doing it. You know that nagging feeling of not being able to grow your business, the fear of failing to scale? I get it. I've been there. But what if I can help you reclaim your time and help you grow your business to success? Durable is an AI-powered tool that helps build professional websites, no coding necessary. It's the #1 solution I tell my members and virtually anyone who asks me how to build a website without spending a mortgage payment. Picture this. You're sipping your morning coffee and in just 30 seconds, you've got a professional website up and running. No coding, no tech headaches, just pure magic. Durable works at the speed of light, creating a stunning website tailored to your cleaning business. Best part, you still get to add your personal touch with full customization options. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm a small cleaning business owner. Do I really need a website? Absolutely. Whether you're juggling a side hustle or running a full-time cleaning business, Durable is your express ticket to a professional online presence. With Durable, you're not just building a website, you're building a foundation for a successful cleaning empire. It's your secret weapon against the fear of failing to scale. When you look professional online, clients trust you more and your business grows faster. Click the link in my description box to try Durable free and get an exclusive discount for your first 3 months when you're ready to publish your site. Thank you so much for Durable for sponsoring this part of the video. You are probably not using scripts, templates, and documents to make your processes simple. If you are not tracking your processes, you are all over the place. When you start scaling, you either hire a project manager or a virtual assistant. You have no idea what to truly train them and how you want your business to be implemented the way you like it to be done. Now, that's also the reason why most cleaning business owners stay working in their business, because they do not document the process so they can properly train someone else to do it for them. So what you need to be doing is ensuring that you have scripts or documents for every process. What do you say when someone calls for an inquiry? What's the process if someone submits an inquiry online? What is the process of sending out your contractors to a job? What does that look like every single time? If you do not have the answers to that, you do not have a seamless flowing operating business. You have a very dysfunctional side hustle. That's not what we do. In 2025, get specific and get really clear on your processes. If you do not want to put the guesswork in all these processes and you want to know how to start and grow your stay-at-home cleaning business, DM me on Instagram, the word coach, and we can chat on how I can help you start and grow your remote cleaning business. This secret killer goes unnoticed. In 2025, have your yearly goal, break it down to your monthly goal, down to a weekly, to a daily goal of how much you need to be making to essentially make your yearly goals. And every day, update how close you are to that goal. If you do not know how close you are, you're just hoping to get more money at the end of the week. Your goal is to analyze business, how it contributes to reaching your goals. If what you're doing is not working, you're able to study the numbers, the analytics, what needs to be tweaked, then you could generally say with a strategic analytical view that this doesn't work. However, if you try something for 1 day, 2 days, 3 weeks, and you do not have the general numbers and you just say, oh, I don't have money, that doesn't mean it doesn't work. You don't know how to tweak it, understand your goals, and a strategy to get those goals. Continuously analyze that every day. That separates a side hustle from a business, an operating business. So in 2025, be diligent with your numbers, goals, how much you're making, what you're doing, so you can tweak if it doesn't work. You are here to make it work. Cleaning business killers, habits that I am not bringing into 2025, and how you can avoid each one and be successful in your cleaning business. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.